Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy.
In this lecture, let us understand demodulation of FM wave using frequency discriminator or using balanced slope detector. FM demodulation is a process of recovering original message signal from an FM wave. So, FM demodulation is a process of recovering original message signal from an FM wave. This is the block diagram of frequency discriminator or balanced slope detector. It consists of two slope detectors as shown in this figure. So incoming FM wave is passed through the slope detector and the output of slope detector is given as input to the envelope detector that will produce the output V01 and V02. So these two voltages are subtracted to obtain the original baseband signal. So we will take V0 is equal to V01 minus V02 to get the original baseband signal. Therefore, output of frequency discriminator or balanced slope detector is V0 is equal to V01 minus V02. So this can be given as 0 if input frequency is equal to the carrier frequency Fc. So Fin is the frequency of FM wave and Fc is the frequency of carrier wave, and this will be equal to positive voltage if Fin is greater than Fc, and it will be equal to negative voltage if Fin is less than Fc. Let us take this as equation number 1. Here Fin is the frequency of FM wave and Fc is the carrier frequency. This circuit is the equivalent circuit diagram of frequency discriminator or balanced slope detector. It consists of a center tap transformer at the secondary side, and at the primary side it is tuned to the frequency of FM signal. The upper part of the secondary of the transformer consists of the diode envelope detector, and it is tuned to the frequency Fc with resonant frequency Fc plus delta F. The lower part of the secondary of the transformer consists of a diode envelope detector with resonant frequency Fc minus delta F. So this circuit produces the required output, which is V0 is equal to V01 minus V02. So here V01 is the output that is taken from the upper side of the transformer, and V02 is the output that is taken at the lower side of the transformer. So this will be equal to 0 if frequency of FM wave is equal to carrier frequency. It will be positive voltage if frequency of FM wave is greater than carrier frequency, and it will be negative voltage if frequency of FM wave is less than carrier frequency. This is the response of the frequency discriminator or balanced slope detector circuit. So this is the amplitude response of the upper tuned filter, which is the upper side of the secondary of the transformer, and this is the amplitude response of the lower tuned filter, which is lower side of the secondary of the transformer. So this is V01 and this is V02. If we take V01 minus V02, we will obtain this output voltage, which is M of t. So here V0 will be equal to V01 minus V02. So this is the output voltage after subtraction. This is about demodulation of FM wave. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.